So I just had a conversation with a stranger over Zoom, and this is a really fantastic stranger for me to connect with. His name is Pete Bombaci, and he is the founder of the Gen Well Project. And this organization is on a mission to create more human connection in the world on a very large scale. And so it's really nice to finally have my first conversation with him. And this weekend, he and his team are hosting a pretty big event. It's called Gen Well Weekend, and this is something that happens twice a year, where people are encouraged to register on their website where it is or how it is they're going to create connection on the Friday, Saturday, and Sunday of the weekend. And in this conversation I had with Pete, it was really great that he mentioned that it's not just about like saying to your neighbors, hey, let's have a huge street party and trying to arrange something massive, although you're welcome to do that. But rather, he suggests that people who say, oh, I've already got plans, that you register your thing. Like if you're going for dinner with some friends or family, like that you register that to just help join the conversation around how phenomenally important it is to have healthy relationships, healthy social relationships in your life. As I've said before, the research proves it's not just good for your mental health, but it can actually literally extend your life if you have healthy social relationships in your life. So I encourage you to take a look at the link that I'll put below the video, below this video, for getting involved in Gen Well Weekend and seeing if you can just step up, perhaps a tiny bit out of your own comfort zone to create a little more human connection that could profoundly change yours or someone else's life. All the very best. And thank you, Pete. If you're watching this, it was really, really great to chat with you. Looking forward to many more conversations.